Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to set up Google Pay complete on Android phone. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to settings. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google right here. Click on Google. The next thing you need to do is to click on all services. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Pay. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Add passes, tickets, and more with your camera. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on add wallet right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. Click on View Wallet. Scroll down right here. And click on this plus sign to continue. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Payment Card. Next thing you need to do, click on Add Payment Card right here. Then here, you will need to enter your card detail. So add a card, line it up with the frame. So you can decide to enter detail manually. So here, you will need to enter your card number. Then enter the month and the expire year of the card. Then enter the security codes at the back of the card. The name on the card. Then click on Save and Continue. Then address on the card. Then click on Save and Continue. Then enter city. Then click on Save and Continue. Successfully saved right here. Just like what you see right here, your card is saved to your Google account, so you can still pay online and access Google. Simply click on Got It right here. It's as simple as that. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.